Hi guys, I am back with another video and today I'm gonna be making Mysterio from Spider-Man Far From Home. Let's begin. But first an announcement. So I'm not gonna be posting for at least 3 weeks from now because exams are coming and that's gonna be a pain for me. So in that time I want you guys to do one thing. You see my sub count, I think it's currently 238. Let's just take that to 250 or higher. Let's just punch that sub button, please. I really like it when I get a subscriber. Like, it rings my heart. Now back to the video. Things you're gonna need to make this guy are Fevicryl molded and golden flower making wires. Now these things are the best thing you can find online to make a wire skeleton. That's as far as I know. If you have something better, please go ahead and tell it to me in the comments. Now these things are golden, as you can see. They also come in like I think bronze color and silver color. Color doesn't really matter. These are the ones that are like easily available in my shop. The shop I go to, and quite bendable, quite malleable. And like one is I think 2 feet tall, long. I don't know. So that's what I used to make the wire skeleton. If you want to know how to make one of those, check out my video. Which is on my channel. Okay, second thing. Spherical molded. This is basically what you're going to be using for the whole action figure. Okay. This won't open. Never mind. Now, spherical molded is an epoxy-based resin clay polymer thing, which you see once you mix the two things, resin-based hardener in equal quantities, you get this compound, which is Fevicryl molded. And once you put that on wires, it gets hardened, like really hard, stone hard. And once you get that, you can paint over that with a wide variety of Fevicryl colors. This video is not sponsored by Fevicryl. Please sponsor me, Fevicryl. Now, without any further ado, let's begin with the painting and sculpting of this guy. Okay, at this point, you should have something like this. And if you're wondering how to make this amazing helmet, before you go to the comments and say, how to make the helmet, you were not making a tutorial. Eh, calm down. Uh, Video transition to how to make the helmet. Okay, time to make the helmet. So you take a strip of ivory sheet or paper, whatever you're using. You wrap it around your guy's head, right? Put it at the tightest spot so it's removable and attachable and not too tight. Now once you've done that, you have something like this. You take tape, you put it on the top so it actually sticks on the action figure's head. And then you find the spot where it's thinnest at the base. You fold it down at the base like that. You take your M seal. You're basically going to round this whole thing off. So I'm going to do half a side for the video. You can do this, or you can just stick like a ball of M seal for the head, not just make the normal dude's head like that. That's rounded in that area now. And you can do the whole thing this side too. That works. Back to the video. Now that you have a complete action figure, it should look something like this. Maybe it's better, I don't know. Tell it to me on Instagram at HeyHeyOde. Oh my god, an amazing plug. Great. Back to the video. Now, as you know, the helmet does come off. Gets a little annoying, but you get the hang of it soon enough. Now, time for the articulation on this guy. Arms can go out that far. Legs can go sideways that far. Let's just take the cable up for the articulation. He can do the splits. Arms can bend at the elbow. Head can finally look up, down, and sideways. Legs can go forward this far, backward this far, and a bend at the knee. There is no foot articulation on this guy, but he doesn't need one. He's amazing anyway. Now the cape, being literally made of wires, can achieve a lot of poses, and with his movable head, that just gets more dynamic. Look at that. Marvel Legends will let you do this. Only such figure arts quality stuff lets you do this. Where was I? Yes, moaning and crying about an amazing character. Now you see, the character of Mysterio in the comics is just a villain who uses his, cinema tricks to make fake, really, really fake magic. But the way he's being handled in the movie, it's a really different take from the typical Mysterio. I'm evil because I hate people. Yeah, and I like that because Marvel is finally doing something different, which they haven't done in some time, except for a few characters, I guess. Now, a few theories about him. At this point, you most probably have clicked away. So the people who are watching this, thanks. A few theories on him. He might be Peter from an alternate universe. You might already know that. He might be Tony from an alternate universe. He might be a completely random dude we totally do not know about. And he could be a completely new character. Who knows? That's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and finally subscribe for more, because it takes me time to make these videos. And again, the announcement which I made in the beginning, I'm not going to be posting for the next 3 or 2 weeks, because guess what, kids, exams happen, and if you are too young to know what an examination is, it's hell. Enjoy life while you still can, because life gets worse as you move on. Bye bye.